Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Sign into the Microsoft account that owns Office and plug the laptop in so updates won't interrupt. Once done, make sure Wi-Fi is stable. Large updates can exceed 500 MB. Close Excel and other Office apps, saving your files and syncing OneDrive so installer can replace files. Next, open any Office app, click File, and then Account. This is where you control updates. Follow these first steps to avoid partial installs and file corruption. Now you trigger the actual update. From Account, choose Update Options, then Update Now. The installer checks your current build, downloads patches, and applies them. This can take several minutes depending on connection speed. Make sure you do not force shutdown. Let the updater run in background. If you see Click to Run in use, the process is automatic. If your Excel is MSI-based, updates may be managed by your IT or Windows Update, so coordinate with that system. Monitor progress and stay nearby. Finish the process by restarting when prompted so new files register correctly. Then verify the version under File, Account, About Excel. If something goes wrong, don't panic. First run Office Repair from Control Panel or Settings. This fixes corrupted files and component registration. If repair fails, check Windows Update for pending patches and sign out of Microsoft account, then sign back in. As a last resort, uninstall and reinstall Office. That removes persistent content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.